Hey guys, welcome back to FastFix channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Nearby Share in Windows 11. So first of all you need to do is go on your Google Chrome and search for Nearby Share Windows. Then right here, you'll find the link, the new Nearby Share beta app for Windows. So let's just click on it. Once you click this one, you will find this homepage. As you can see right here, wireless sharing with your PC made easy. Now, if you want to download this application or beta, just click this Get Started with Beta. Here at the bottom left corner of your screen, you will find the downloaded file right here and just click on Open. Then you just wait until it's installed in your computer. Now, once you've done, you will find the options right here. But for this sample, I just want to click the sign in. And as you can see right here, you will now have to set up your account. You can change your name right here. For example, I want to change this as this one. And then here you will find here on receiving, you can change it if you want to share with your contacts, everyone, your devices, or no one. So for this sample, just want to click this your devices and then going back and then click on done. And finally, you can now set up the settings if you want to receive file from your Android phone. So for example, let's get a sample on your Android phone. Now here on your Android phone, you must download these files by Google. You just download it on Google Play Store. And once you've done, you can now tap this open. So let's just have to try to send a file. Just tap this Nearby Share at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then you'll find send and receive. So for example, I just want to send a file onto my computer. So just choose a file that I want to send. So for example, this car right here, and then you will find this option to allow your location or device location right here. Just tap that OK. And then on your computer, you will find that phone name right here. And you just have to click this accept option right here and try to load an app and download that image on your computer. So if you open that one, you'll find that image right here on your computer. Now let's try to send a file on my Android phone. So for example, I want to click this select files and try to find a files or a photo, image, or anything folder I want to send. So for example, I want to send from my pictures and want to try to send this Facebook logo right there. Then click on open, and right here you're looking for nearby devices, and you'll find right here my Android name, and just try to click this one to receive that image on my Android phone. So once you've done right here, you'll find on my Android phone that you receive that image. So we just wait until it loads on my Android phone right here and try to tap that accept button, and then you will find that image. You receive an image right here from my computer using this Nearby Share on Windows 11. So right here you'll find that image that you receive from your computer. Now let's back and focus on the Nearby Share on Windows 11. So let's just click this settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you'll find these settings. You can change the device name, or you can actually change the location or file location right here. You can change that one. You can change the device visibility if you want everyone contacts your device. So for example, I want to choose this one, and once you've done right here, just go back and you can now start to receive or send a file on your Android phone using this Nearby Share in Windows 11. So that's it. That's how you basically use Nearby Share in Windows 11. You can try on your computer. You can download that Nearby Share or that beta on your laptop or computer. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.